أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we have been learning sentences for some time, and inshallah today we will conclude it. We have gone over the basics of both types, but we will just spend some more time on Jumla Ismiya, inshallah. So I will just go over the rules, just a reminder or a revision of it. What are the general rules of Jumla Ismiya? So what is a Jumla Ismiya, first of all? A Jumla Ismiya is a Jumla, a sentence, which starts with an ism. Hmm? So in the Jumla Ismiya, we have gone over, the first ism is mubtada and the second ism is khabar. So we will just go over all those rules again. Both mubtada and khabar are marfu, and mubtada is generally the first marfu ism. Mubtada and khabar match in gender and number. Mubtada is mostly a proper noun like a ism ma'rifa, and khabar is mostly a common noun. And if you see jar majroor or special mudaf or mudaf ilayhi, it will be neither khabar or nor mubtada. It will be called muta'alliq. And we went over what special mudaf ilayhi is. Something where you cannot translate it regularly as in a regular way, like Rasulullah. The examples were like kulli shay'in, um, tahta shajaratis, words like those, which have all the signs of mudaf ilayh, but it is not translated as a regular mudaf ilayh. That is special mudaf ilayh. Mubtada is a mandatory part of sentence, so you will likely say it always, but the remaining parts which are mutalik and khabar, they may or may not be there. So mubtada may make a sentence with khabar or may make a sentence with mutalik or sometimes may make a sentence with all two of them. There can be multiple mubtada, khabar and mutalik in a nominal sentence. So then we went over this slide yesterday, so I will not go over this again. So what we did was we labeled different parts of the sentence. So today we have a new sentence. So what the task is, we have to find what is a mubtada, what is a khabar, and what is a muta'alliq bil khabar. So we have to go word by word, first find the meaning of each word, make a sentence in English, and then label this ayah. Okay. Okay, Saad wants to do it. Go ahead, Saad, read it.
السلام عليكم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هذا رحمة من ربي هذا is this رحمة is mercy
Mm-hmm.
min is from and Rabbi is from and my Lord.
Okay. Combine it.
This is a mercy from my Lord.
This is a mercy from my Lord.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. You did a good job on this. So now we need to label it. What is haza in this sentence?
هذا is
The three options, mubtada, khabar, or muta'alliq bil muta'alliq. What one of the three it will be.
it doesn't it's not like a thing that's described or it doesn't describe anything. So is it متعلق?
Haza is an ism. It is marfu here, and it is a proper noun. Haza is always proper.
Yeah.
Ismul ishara. So it is a mubtada, okay?
Okay.
What is rahmatun?
Rahmatun should be khabar then.
Yeah. And min Rabbi, what is min Rabbi? What kind of fragment?
Min Rabbi is jar majrur, so it should be muta'alliq.
What is Rabbi by itself?
Rabbi is mudaf lafli.
Yeah, Rabbi is mudaf ilayhi, but this Rabbi is in majroor because of min. So
Yeah.
min Rabbi is jar majroor, and jar majroor is always muta'alliq. So we have all the three parts in this sentence, in this Jumla Ismiya. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So I need another volunteer. Thank you, Saad. You did a good job. Hmm? Anybody? Nobody? Ali? Ali?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum salam. You're
वालेकुम।
not volunteering, huh? So I have to call your name. So read it for me, please.
हम फी हम फी हाज़ा रहमत तुम मिर रब्बी।
We have done that already. You are not you're absent from the class mentally at least, looks like, huh, Ali? Are you absent mentally?
No.
No? Okay. Then read what is below it.
हम फीहा खालिदून।
Hum fiha khalidun. What's the meaning of hum?
हम दे
Fiha.
for him
What's
in
fi? Fi means
in
in. Ha.
him
Ha means
in him him
her. Her. Ha
her
means her. This is
her.
a jar majroor, huh? So this is
Yes.
attached pronoun attached to a harf jar. Fiha jar majroor. In her. Khalidun.
Though
Those
those
who live
forever.
forever. Khalada yakhludu. Khalidun. Khaliduna. Khalidina. This is a plural. Those who live forever. What's the meaning now?
Oh, they
Hmm? Go here. They
live forever in him
in her.
in
In her.
her.
What is her here?
Her is inside to her.
Yeah, no, this refers to something feminine. Is Jannah feminine?
Yes.
So this could be Jannah. Huh?
Yes.
They are those who live forever in it. Or other meaning will be they will live forever in it. Or they will live in it forever.
Ever.
Okay, you got it? Got the meaning?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we need to label it.
This
What is whom?
home home is Muktada.
Yeah, whom is
Khaliduna.
what's the status of whom here?
Home is Rafa
Why? How do you know it is Rafa?
because the detached pronoun
Very good. So this is, and what is it, proper noun or common noun? Whom?
proper
How do you know that?
because the detached pronoun.
Pronoun is always proper. It doesn't matter if it is detached or attached.
Yeah.
A pronoun is
Always proper.
always proper. So the whom is proper noun. It is detached pronoun. So there it is. That's why it is Rafa. It meets all the conditions of a, and it is starting the sentence. So it is mubtada. What is fiha?
Fiha is muta'alliq bil khabar.
Yeah. And what about khaliduna?
Khabar.
Yeah, Khaliduna is khabar and fiha is a jar majroor, therefore it is a muta'alliq. Khaliduna, Khalidina, Khalidina, right? So what's the status of Khaliduna here? Rafa, nasab or jar?
Rafa.
Rafa. And khabar has to be Rafa, so that is why it is a khabar. Good job, Ali. Thank you. Ulaika ashabun nar. Nari. Who wants to do it? Anybody? Brother Arshad, Musab, sorry. Musab. Go ahead.
Sound
Ulaika,
like
Walaikum salam. Can you read it, please?
Ulaika ashabun nari.
Yeah, good. Ulaika means, do you know what's the meaning of Ulaika?
Those
Those, very good. And what's the
as
meaning of Ashabi? Ashabu, sorry?
companions or inmates,
Yeah, Annari means,
the hellfire.
yeah, just fire for now. Fire,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, so what's the meaning now for the combining the meaning of three words?
Those are companions of the fire.
Okay, very good. Those are the companions of the fire. What is Ashabun Nari? Is this some sort of a fragment, maybe?
Uh, mudaf.
Yeah, it is mudaf mudaf ilayh. Now label it.
Ulaika is mubtada.
Yeah, ulaika is a mubtada, is an ismul ishara. Ismul
Ismul
ishara is
ishara.
always proper, right? And
Yes.
over here it is in rafa status. So mubtada,
Uh, and ashabun nar is khabar.
yeah. We have to treat it as one thing. We cannot say, okay, treats ashabu separately from fire, annar. This is one fragment and we treat it as one thing. And what is status of ashabun nari, Musab?
Uh, Status is rafa
How do you know?
because the asha
Yeah,
is
you're right.
is the status of mudaf that determines the status of mudaf ilayh.
Yeah, so
And
because
ashabu is rafa.
yes, because Habu is Rafa, therefore the status of the whole Mudaf ilayh will be Rafa as well. All right, so that is Khabar. Okay, good.
Thank you.
Let's continue. Thank you, Musab.
Jazakallah.
Allahu bi kulli shay'in khabir. Allahu bi kulli shay'in khabir. Okay. Brother Farrukh, would you like to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you read it, please?
Allahu bi kulli shay'in khabir.
Okay.
So,
If you don't know, Khabir means the one who is always aware. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Can you give me the meaning now?
Um,
Word by
Allah,
word.
Allah be is with
Mm-hmm.
kulli all.
Kulli all or every, huh?
Kulli shay is everything.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Khabir is the one who is always aware.
So can you combine?
So Allah is
Go to the
Allah
last word.
is aware of everything.
Allah is always aware of everything.
Okay.
With everything, I mean that's what is said in Arabic, but in English, if we say with everything, um, then it will be bad English. So we say Allah is always aware of everything. Of everything. Okay, now we need to label, brother. Mubtada, khabar, muta'alliq. What are they? Which word is which?
So um, Allah is mubtada.
Okay. What is khabir?
Um, Khabir is khabar.
Okay. What is
And
bikulli shay'in?
so B is jar or majroor. So this would be the complex. What's called mutalliq.
Yeah, it is muta'alliq. Kulli shay'in special mudaf ilayh. And bi kulli shay'in is jar majroor. And a jar majroor is muta'alliq. Allah is the one who is always aware of everything. Yeah, good job. Thank you. One more. الظالمون في ضلال مبين. Hmm? Okay. Let me find someone for it. Um, Sister Khairun Nisa.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you read this one, please?
الظالمون في ضلال مبين.
الظالمون في ضلال مبين. Zalimina, do you know the meaning of zalimuna?
ظالمون is
The wrongdoers. Huh?
wrong.
ظلم يظلم ظالمون. This is ismul fa'il. Zalimuna, the wrongdoers, those who do wrong. Okay, you know the meaning of dalal? Dalal means misguidance. And mubin means clear. Okay?
Yes.
Now you need to know the words now. So you make a sentence now in English. What's the meaning?
The wrongdoers are in clear
Yeah, you're right.
misguidance.
Yeah, good job. The wrongdoers are in a clear misguidance. What is this? Dalalin mubinin. Is it some sort of a fragment?
Yeah, ضلال مبين is jar.
Oh,
Is it,
forget about fi. Just dalalin mubinin.
is it is it مضاف إليه?
No, mudaf. Dalalin is heavy. It cannot be
Yeah.
mudaf.
Mm. Mm. So I think في ضلال is jar مجرور.
Fi dalalin is jar majroor. Yeah, that's right. But
Oh,
how about dalalin mubinin?
is it متعلق?
No, I'm just saying what kind of fragment is that? That's what the question is.
Oh yeah, it's صفة موصوف.
Sifa mausuf. Yeah, dalal is mausuf. Mubin is its sifa. All right. And fi dalalin mubinin is jar majroor. And that is why dalalin is majroor. So now you need to label it, sister. What is mubtada? What is khabar? What is muta'alliq?
الظالمون is مبتدأ
What is the status of zalimuna?
is مرفوع.
Marfu. Very good. How about fi dalalin mubinin? What is it? Khabar or muta'alliq?
It will be خبر.
Khabar has to be in Rafa stat. Do you see anything in Rafa here?
Yeah. No.
No. Fi dalalin is jar majroor. So jar majroor is what? Muta'alliq.
غير مجرور متعلق. Yeah.
Yeah, so it is muta'alliq. It cannot be khabar. So dalalin mubinin is sifa mawsuf, but
نصيب.
the whole sifa mawsuf is in jar status because of fi. So we will call it jar majroor. At the end, it is actually jar majroor. And the
No,
majroor
the
is
whole
in
thing.
itself is sifa mawsuf and it is muta'alliq. There is no khabar here. No khabar. All right.
Okay.
Thank you, sister. Good
Thank
job.
you.
المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا. Okay. تيمية. تيمية. No تيمية. Okay. Umar Suhail.
Yes,
Oh, you
yes.
are back? Okay. Can you read the ayah at the bottom?
المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا.
Okay. You know the meaning of al-malu?
The water. No.
Sorry. No, that is ma. That is ma'un khamza. This is malu. Mal. You don't know mal?
No,
Mal dolat? Huh?
no.
No. The wealth. Al-mal means
Oh yeah, the wealth.
the wealth. Wa.
And
Al-banun. It's a plural of ibn. Do you know what is ibn and banun? No?
no,
The sons.
the sons.
The wealth and the sons. You know zinatun? What is zina? Beauty.
Beauty.
You know al-hayat?
Um, lively.
The life.
Life.
You know
Dunya.
ad-dunya?
The world.
The world. So now you know the meaning of each and every word here. Give me a sentence in English.
The wealth and the sons' beauty of the worldly life.
You missed an R somewhere. Try again. Make a good English sentence.
The wealth of no, the
The
wealth
wealth and sons
and
are.
the sons are beauty of the worldly life.
So did you mean what is al-hayati dunya?
The worldly life.
So what kind of fragment is that?
Sifa Mausuf.
What is zinatul hayati dunya?
Um, Mudaf Mudaf ilayh.
Mudaf mudaf ilay. Okay, good job. Very nice. So let's label it now.
Okay.
Al-malu. What is al-malu?
Al-malu is the
Is mubtada, is it khabar, or is it muta'alliq? What is it?
khabar. No,
It's the first marfu ism, is it not?
it's mubtada.
Mubtada. Okay. And al-banun, if you just look at how this sentence is, that Allah is saying the wealth and the sons are the beauty of the worldly life. Okay, so Allah is giving information about the khabar about mal and banun. Allah is giving us some information about mal and banun. So mal and banun are both what? Mubtada. And zinatul hayatid dunya, which is a regular mudaf ilayhi, is some information about mal and banun, right?
The khabar.
So that is what?
Khabar.
Khabar. So what is the status of this khabar? Zinatul hayati dunya. Rafa nasab or jar.
Rafa.
Why?
Because it's mudaf.
What is mudaf here?
Ahmed. Zinatu.
Zinatu. And zinatu is rafa. Very good. So mubtada, so two mubtada here, and together they will become one mubtada. Al-malu wal banuna, together they will become one mubtada. Now listen. What's your name? Taimiyah. One more thing. One thing here. The al-mal is proper noun, al-banun is proper noun, and mubtada is supposed to be proper. That's what regularly it is. But khabar is supposed to be common noun, right? That's what we learned. Is khabar a common noun here? Yes or no?
No,
Is it proper or common? Did you say no? I think
it's
I heard
proper
no. It is proper. Why it is proper?
because of the fragment.
In a mudaf ilayhi, if mudaf ilayhi is proper, mudaf is also proper.
Yeah,
So al-hiyat is proper or common?
proper.
Proper. So therefore, the whole mudaf ilayhi will become proper. So khabar is supposed to be common. Is it not?
Yeah,
But it is proper here. So it's
yeah,
a deviation from the regular rule, right?
yeah.
Is it not? It is a deviation from the regular rule. You translated it as like this: the wealth and sons are the beauty of the worldly life. But because of this deviation, the actual meaning will be the wealth and sons are only the beauty of the worldly life. Because when there's a deviation from the general rule, that deviation gives a special meaning to the ayah. So over here, it gave us the meaning of exclusivity and emphasis as well. Huh? So the real meaning will be there is no word for only in here. It is just because the khabar is in rafa status, which is a deviation from the general rule. So the real translation will be the wealth and sons are only the beauty of the worldly life. All right, so we should not attach ourselves to this because this is just for this world. It may not help us in the hereafter. Thank you, Taimi, you did a good job. So we have last few minutes. So Sister Mariam Zishan,
Yes, sir.
can you read it, please?
Yes, sir. في قلوبهم مرض. في in
Mm-hmm.
قلوبهم their hearts
Mm-hmm.
مرض sickness,
Sickness, disease. Yeah.
disease.
Can you combine?
Yes, sir. In their hearts is a disease.
Yeah. In their hearts is a disease. Can you label?
في قلوبهم is متعلق and مرض is مبتدأ.
Yeah, you're right. But isn't mubtada generally proper noun,
Comes first.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And mubtada is supposed to be at the beginning. So there are two problems here. First of all, maradun is a common noun,
Yes, sir.
and it is not at the beginning, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now this is the time to explain one more thing. When mubtada is common noun, it does not start the sentence generally. It comes later. All right? And
Okay, sir.
that is why it is later. Because it is not a proper noun, that is why it is not at the beginning of the sentence. It is later. This is normal. This is not a problem. This is normal for Arabic. And the good translation will be, you did it right. That was good. The better translation will be, there is a disease in their hearts.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, over here maradun is mubtada, but it's not starting the sentence because it is a common noun. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Can you do the next one too, sister?
Yes, sir. للملك السماوات والأرض
Lillahi, sister.
sorry
Lillahi.
لله ملك السماوات والأرض
Hmm.
لله for Allah ملك السماوات owner of the skies and the
Kingdom.
earth.
Mulk means kingdom, sister.
Kingdom. Okay, Malik. Kingdom of the skies and the earth.
Okay, can you combine now?
Yes, sir. Uh, Kingdom of the earth and the skies and the earth is for Allah.
Yeah. Or we can just go with the order. For
Okay.
Allah is the kingdom of the skies and the earth. So similar translation what to you did. You did actually better. Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Now, sister, have to
Yes,
label it, huh?
yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Lillahi is
Mm-hmm.
Lillahi is mutaliq.
Okay. What is mulku samawati wal ard?
It is mubtada.
Mubtada. And lillahi is jar majroor, for therefore it is a muta'alliq.
Yes, sir.
But we have a problem, sister. Mubtada is not at the beginning.
Yes, yes, sir.
And in the previous ayah, we learned if it is not at the beginning, then it should be common noun. Right?
Yes, sir.
Is it common here?
No, sir. It is proper.
It is proper. So it should be at the beginning then, right?
Yes, sir.
But it's not. So is this order regular or irregular?
Irregular order, sir.
Irregular order. When we have an irregular order in a sentence, it gives us a special meaning, does it not?
Yes, sir.
So we have to give it a special meaning. Special meaning is generally exclusivity or emphasis.
Okay.
All right. So what's the real meaning of this translation is this. Can you read it?
Yes, sir. Only to Allah belong the kingdom of the skies and the earth.
Yeah. Or you can say the kingdom of the skies and the earth only belongs to Allah. So where did the only come from? From the,
Exclusivity.
yeah, from the order. The order gave us the word only. There is no Arabic word for only in this sentence, right?
Yes, sir.
Because muftada came later, while it was supposed to be earlier, it was a proper noun, but still came later. So that is why we say the kingdom of the skies and the earth only belongs to Allah. Only for Allah subhanahu
Allah.
wa ta'ala. Thank you, sister.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, the last thing, because we don't have time left, so I will just go over that by myself to save time. Al insanu fi khusrin. Al insanu means the human, fi means in, khusrin means loss. Loss, huh? The human is in loss. That's what it means. The human is in loss. Al insanu is the first marfu ism. It is a proper noun as well. So it is mubtada, and fi khusrin is jar majroor, therefore it is muta'alliq. Sometimes what happens is there's a change. Inna comes before it. Inna. If inna is used for emphasis, so innal insanu fi khusrin is wrong. Somebody tell me why. It is not a correct sentence anymore because of
Nawasibulism.
inna. Sorry?
Nawasibulism.
It is a nawasibul ism. Inna, anna, ka'anna, lakinna, layta, la'alla. When any of these words comes and there is an ism after it, what happens to that ism, sister?
It will become nasab.
Nasab. So what is the correct sentence then?
Innal insana fi khusr.
Fi khusr. Or we can also add a la, as you were about to say it, right?
That's all.
Right. So just to make it the same as in Quran. So innal insana, and then I added Allah to make it the same as in Quran. Innal insana lafi khusrin. Now you see insana, which was insanu before, was the mubtada. Right? It was the mubtada. Mubtada is supposed to be in rafa status, but it is not in rafa status. It has
Yes, sir.
changed. It has become mansub. So now grammarians don't call it a mubtada anymore. They don't call it a mubtada anymore. You know what they call it?
Ismu inna.
Ismu inna.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah.
Yes.
Just a change of term, but actually it is actually mubtada, but it is not called mubtada anymore. It is called ismu inna. So just for information, a terminology thing, nothing else. So I hope that with this exercise today, you are more comfortable with Jumla Ismiya, and you know now how to like label a Jumla Ismiya. And now you also saw some variations, like variation from the regular order. And when there is an irregular order, how the meaning changes. That is very important actually, because we need to know what Allah is really saying in ayah. And when we know the regular order and we see a variation from it without any reason, then we can understand it better, that what Allah is really telling us. So that is very important, knowing what is the regular order and identifying when the order is not regular, is irregular, and then translating it properly. Yeah. So that's where we will end, and that's where the study of sentences ends. And inshallah, from next week, we will start a new topic. Thank you very much for your attention.